morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right. I got my eye on ONDS and Mara. Uh, the market's going to open in about 4 minutes. I did take a couple trades earlier. I made about 6, 7 cents. I made about 6, 7 cents. I would say 7 cents. I made 1 cent off of ALL American Airlines and 6 cents off of ONDS. So ONDS has good news from yesterday. Um, there's nothing. Wait a minute. They just came out with good news at 10 past. ONDS acquires Bird Aerosystems to expand airborne missile protection. Wow, man! Like I said, these guys come out with news all the time. So hopefully, hope they get a chance to catch something good on this one as well. So as you see, I got 4 charts up. They are the Hikinashi charts, but when I make my line, you'll see my line in there. It'll be the blue line, so I'm going to get rid of this one because this is not where I'm in now. But the red line is the 4 a.m. 4 a.m. And the market's about to open, so I got my eye on ONDS. And just trying to make 30 cents. And right now I got 7, so I need 23 cents more. 23 cents more. That's the goal. I'm trying to make this goal. So just 23 cents more. I got 7 this morning. So the goal is to make $1,000, but if I make 30 cents, it won't be 1,000. It'll be close to 500. So I'm just going to keep doing that. Just keep building it. It's not about the money. It's about the cents. I'm trying to get 30 cents a day, 20 cents a day. Eventually, I'm trying to get it down to 20 cents a day or under, because I need to get to $1,000 goal. And then everything I start making after that, I just keep adding it, and that's what I'm going to do it. So we got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Right now, I was watching a little bit of CNBC, but we did have the CPI report come out, the year over year. The market, the CPI report came out for February, and we are even at 2.4. Our inflation rate is the same as it was last month, and year over year, we're only up by 1%, but we are the same as last month. So that's the news this morning at 8:30 Eastern Time. So that didn't rattle any cages, but right now everything is see right. So ONDS, even though they got their news out, I'm surprised they're selling back off again. I mean, I got in at $10.11, and I got out at $10.17. So I got 6 cents off them, plus the 1 cent I got from American Airlines. So 23 cents. That's it. 23 cents. Later down the road, it's gonna be just 20 cents. But right now, I need to make 30 something cents. There we go. The market's open. Wow. The market's open. And we are going up or down, up or down. Let's zoom in here a little more. We're going to go down or up. I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. The market opened at 10.05. 10.05. $10.05. Can this thing keep going down? I don't know. They got good news. They acquired another company. Can this be a 23 center right here? I got my fingers on the hotkeys, ready to go. Ready to go. These hotkeys, I don't know if I'm able to get in because I didn't. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. So the hotkeys that I got in this morning, I used to get in on a bid and sell the ask. So I got a rebate on the ECN fee. That kind of helps out. But right now we're sideways on this, and American Airlines is going up. I don't know. American Airlines is going up. Mara's going up. Mara, there could have been my 10 cents there, but I'm gonna keep my eye on ONDS because they are the one that got the good news. Mara has no news. I got my eye on Nokia. They got no good news. American Airlines, they're playing off the news off United Airlines because United Airlines they got record. Are we in? Hold up. I don't want to get too aggressive here. See, I need to keep an eye on the market. I'm in. I'm trying to get in at 10:18. 10:18. There's my 10:18. It went right by me. Wow. It went right by. There we go. I'm in. 10:18. 19. 10:18. 28. 38. I need 38. Wow. Okay, here we go. They got good news. They got the better of the good news. The market's still pushing up. I gotta keep an eye on the market, man. The market's scary because at a moment's notice they could turn right back down. Get my eye on the SPY. They seem to be going up. ONDS. Come on, ONDS. You got good news, brother. You got good news. So we're kind of sideways a little bit. Not looking good. The market's still strong, kind of. Here we go. Push up. Not good. Come on, man. It's starting to stall out. The market's starting to stall out. Starting to stall out. I think I should need to change this hotkey to just getting out because 22. They got good news. They acquired a company. They acquired a company. Come on. They're the ones that got the good news. So we got the second green bar. Second green bar. Is it going to hold up? The market's starting to turn around again. Damn. Market's starting to turn around. Got a little pullback. Pullback, pullback. Anybody can help us out? Damn. Nvidia is pushing down. Tesla's pushing up. Nvidia's pushing down. Nvidia's starting to pull the market back a little bit. Am I going to be able to get out of here? Get out of this thing? We got good news. Let's go with the good news. Starting to slow down on me. Market's starting to turn around. The market's starting to turn around. Oh, no, no, no. Damn it. Market's starting to turn around on me. 18. Come on, market. Nvidia starting to turn around. ONDS got good news. It's got good news. Come on, man. You got good news. I need that 23 cents. 23 cents. Let's go. Starting to stall out on me. When does this thing take off? Come on, here we go. The market's starting to push back up again. Nvidia starting to help out the market. Come on, push that up. Bitcoin even going up. Bitcoin even going up. Well, if Bitcoin goes up, is that because it's volatile? The market's more volatile? I don't know. But we are somewhat sideways right here. We are somewhat sideways. I'm in this long. Okay, here we go. Just got to push up. Just got to push up. Why? They got the good news, man. They got the good news. Why is this thing not all the way up? So 28, 38. I need 38, 39, 40, 41. I need 41, 1041. I don't know. 1041, 1041. 1041 seems an awful long way from now. But the market's starting to stall out on me. Starting to stall out. Not good, not good. So ONDS is going sideways. Seems to be going sideways. I could have got the 20 cents off of Mara. Could have got the 20 cents off off Mara. That's crazy. Could have got the 20 cents off Mara. Let me just double check this hotkey. Setup. Hotkey. Come on. Yeah, I think I need to change this back to get out. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna try it out. So we're kind of not doing okay. We're the 20 and the 200 are at a near state, and the market is like an indecision. So is that going to pull ONDS down? It might just pull them down, but they acquired a company. They got good news. They're getting pulled down right now. No. Going the wrong way, brother. Wrong way. Oh no, we turn red now. We got red. Yeah, Mara was the one to get in. Damn. Yeah, not good. I got a red candle on the Hikinashi too. Got a red candle. And look at Mara. Man. 60 cents, 74 cents. Mara's doing really good. The market, overall market's starting to do good too. Come on, we're gonna get this thing up or what? I need 1040, 1038, 48, 38, 39, 40, 41. I need 41. I need 41 cents. 41 cents. Cheese and crackers. That's not 41. I need 23 cents. 23 cents. But I need to be at 1041. I need 23 cents. 23 cents. Here we go. Starting to push back up again. We got the good news. They just re-announced. They just announced again that they acquired a company. I'll tell you, man. This thing right here is just, it's all on. All right, here we go. Come on, man. Push this bad boy up. Man, not good. They acquired a company because they're doing the missile thing, the airborne missile thing. Man, the market's doing good. Come on, ONDS, let's go. Someone's holding it back. The market's up, and then someone's holding this back. Let's go. Come on, I need $10.41. 1041. Let's rifle right through that. Let's go. 1041. Anything close to that, I'm out. So I can just reevaluate the next one. 1041. Here we go. I got 1022. 1041. Come on. Come on, push this thing up. We're sideways. We're around 1020, 1021. When these guys, they like the market's starting to turn around again. Oh no! I think I gotta get out of this because the market's not cooperating. Doesn't seem to want to cooperate. If the market turns around, I'm screwed. And it's starting to turn around right now. It's starting to turn around. Unless this thing keeps pushing up. Man, Mara, 58, 68, 78. Went as high as 78 cents. There's the 20 cents I needed right there. Mara's the one to get in. I messed up. Come on, ONDS. I need $10.41. Come on, 1041. 1041. 1041. $10.41. Yeah, ONDS doesn't seem to want. Come on, ONDS, let's go. There's the sound, but I don't have the arrows on there no more. I took the arrows off. Come on, 1041. Let's go. 1041. I got to break. This is the high. I got to break this right here. 1026. That's the high. And I am in at 1018. I forgot to put that on there. 1018. Well, you guys already see that. Whoops. Remove. 1018. There I am, 1018. It needs to break 1026. I'm going to manually pull this thing down because I need 1041 and put my price level 1041. Anything over 1041, 1041 is where I need to be. This thing can break 1041. So even though the market's starting to pull back, is that going to affect 1041 right there? That's what I need. Come on, 1041. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 1041. Come on. 1041. Here we go. The overall market's trying to hold it back. 1041. 1041. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. 1041. That's what I need. Oh, no. The market's turning around. Come on. I'm still above the 20. I'm still above the 20. Still above the 20. I got in at 1018. I need 1041 right here. So like I said, these stocks, they move so slow, and they move like 10, 20, 30 cents a day, 40 cents a day. And on a good day, they might go 50, 60. So to get 30 cents, to get 23 cents, it's really tough. It's really hard. It really is hard. I mean, that's why I was telling you that I was just doing the 10 cent goal, right? I mean, later down the road, I just want to do 20 cents. Here we go. Up to 1030. Up to 1030. I need 1041. 1041. I'm going to change this hotkey, man. No, I'm not going to change it. I'm going to keep it on there. Starting to get a pullback. Okay, now the market's starting to turn back up again. The market's starting to turn back up again. Man, for like 1 second I'm up, and next second I'm down like crazy. Press release. ONDS required. So they just did another. They just keep pushing out the same news. Let's see if that helps. Push out the same news. Like ONDS, man, that's all they do is push out news. All day, every day is news. So all they do is push out news. You never have to worry about that company pushing out news. I'm starting to see on the right, my MACD is open. On the left, the MACD is starting to close. I mean, we're bouncing off the 20. We're not below the 20. We're just bouncing off it. Yeah, right now we're just bouncing off the 20. If I go below it, I gotta hit, man. And the 20 is right on my price where I got in at $10.18. Yeah, see, I'm right down. Oh, wow. It broke it. It broke the 20. Man, it broke the 20. Man, I messed up on that one. Down 196. I should have took the profit on top. See, that's the thing about these stocks. They don't last long. They're like 10, 15 cents, and then they go the opposite direction. I need to make a mental note of that. Seriously, make a big mental note of that, because they don't move that much. They only move like 10 cents, 7 to 15 cents at a time. That's it. That's all they move. It's trying to recover back over to 20. The press release is strong. I like the press release. They acquire Bird Aero Systems to expand airborne missile protection. There it is. There it is. That's what we're looking for. Good news. I can't get over to 20 cents. Man, I should have took the profit and wrote it down. Not good, man. Now the market's turning around on me. Damn. Not good, not good. I gotta wait for it to go back up again. See, this is what happens when you hold these stocks too long. I should have took that profit when I was up there at 1026. Should have took the profit. So the market's reversing now. Yeah, when the market was hot, I should have just wrote it up. I should have got it, and then so the Nvidia is trying to turn back up. That hopefully Nvidia can help push the market back up. Can I get to $10.41? Ooh, that's crazy, man. $10.41. They had good news from yesterday, and they got good news. Well, if it's good news, it's news for today. They got news today. Man. And now look at Mara. Mara went back down. See, the thing about Mara yesterday, same thing with Mara yesterday. Could have just rode Mara up and then rode Mara down and rode Mara up and rode Mara down. I would have had my 30 cents a long time ago. Right now it's going on. It's 11 minutes till 10 o'clock. 11 minutes to 10 o'clock. So right now I'm struggling, doggy. I'm struggling. I gotta trying to get to 41 cents. Is it possible to get to 41 cents? If the market turns around. Look at Mara. Should have jumped on it. Jumped on it when the market opened. That's 20 cents, and then back down. 78 back down to 53. Dude, that's like 40 cents. I could have made 40 cents off that, off Mara. Totally screwed up. Should have went for the more bang for the buck, huh? So here I am. I'm in this now. I'm committed. It's got good news from yesterday, and it's got news today. If you consider news today good, let's see what happens. So I'm looking for this thing to turn back up again. Get over the 200. Get over the 20. See, the 20 over here is that blue line. It's called the super smooth Hikinashi. This is the Hikinashi, the green and the red. But the super smooth Hikinashi is this blue. It needs to get back over there. And right now, it's bouncing off to 200 now. I mean, yeah, I should have just took the How high was this thing up? So when I got in it, yeah, I could have got 7 cents or 8 cents. I could have captured 8 cents before. All right, here we go. Is this thing gonna push up from all the news it has? And that's the thing about the overall market, man. The overall market is horrible. The overall market is what dictates. And right now, is it going to start to turn around because Nvidia's going down, the market's going down, Bitcoin's going down, oil's going up? Is ONDS a play? So if oil goes up, does ONDS go up? I don't think so. I don't think so. When we're back over to 20, we're back over to 20. I just need 41 cents. $10.41. I need total 23 cents to make the daily goal today. So as you can see on the, I'm at 1023, 1024 coming up. I need 1041. 1041. And that should do it. That would be the daily goal for today. So we had good news yesterday. We got news today, and Mara's the one to be in. 78 to 850. Wow, that's almost 30. That's 28 cents off Mara. Idiot. See, that's the thing. You jump. I should just do the price action on. Just jump on the price action. Well, the market's turning around a little bit. Let's hopefully that helps out. Come on, baby. We're about to hit 10:30. Let's go. I need 10:41 to get out. 10:41. I'll put my order in. I'll put my order in. Here we go. Free L Day Plus. I'll put my order in, so it'll sit right there. Let's go 41. Right? That's 23 cents. Let's go 42 just to make sure. 42, and that's 2,460. I'm gonna put the sell order in. Right? 1042. Sell. Amen. So I put a sell order. I'm gonna change. Well, I'm gonna change this. Whoops. Price. Okay. We're gonna change that. We're gonna edit that. We're gonna turn this red. Here's the red, and I need this to be at. Well, not this one. This was 26. Cancel. This is the one I need to change. Edit. 41. 42. Turn this red. And give it 5. Boom. That's where I got to get out right there. Is it possible? Can it make it? I don't know. 1042, that's all I need. I put 1042. That'll be 24 cents. If this thing whips right by, I got to hit the panic button to get out. So we're going sideways on this now. Can we get to 1042? On the 5 minutes, it's wicky, man. It's very wicky. There's a lot of wicks. So let me get this thing out. Yeah, and the high of day, I think it's let me see. I think there's already a line up here. No, there isn't a little line. But that little gray line right there, that is yesterday's high of day. There it is. So 1045 is yesterday's high day. Okay. So at least I know where that line's at. Yesterday's high of day was 1045. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for 1042. You know what? Let's do this right, man. 1042. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to go 1041. That's the way that's what I wanted to go in, right? Jeez. Yep, 1041. Sell. There it is. I'm just going to change this bad boy. Price line. Edit. 1041. Okay. Okay, 1041. Come on, baby, let's go. Just touch it. Just touch it. It's all ass. Just touch it. Get me out of this thing. And then maybe, if I see, look at Mara, man. Mara's the one to be in. Dang. Mara's the one to be in. That was up. That went from cheese and crackers. That thing went from the open 8.6, 7.8. There's 18 cents and all the way back down. It went down to 48, 58, 68, 78. 48 cents. It went and did a 48-cent move. And all I needed was 23 cents. It did a 48-cent move. Yeah, we're going back down again. What's going on there, big doggy? I guess the market sucks. That's why. The market's horrible. Right now, we're just yeah, the market's horrible right now. Good news doesn't matter with this, huh? Come on, man. Need some news. Need this thing to pump. 41 cents. You see it right there. That little red line. I need to touch that. And right now it's hovering around 18 cents. Does this thing eventually make its way up there? I don't know. I don't even want to look at the news. The news form of bias, man. So there's the overall market hitting that. Yeah, that's the overall market pushing that down. But you see some big buys in there. Right there, that's them selling. And the market's going up. Nvidia's going up, Tesla's going up, everything's going back up again. Come on, let's go. Push this bad boy up. So the high is no longer here. Well, I'll just click this. That's the high of day right there. Remove. That's the high of day right there. 1029. These are some slow stocks, man. These are some slow stocks. The flow on this bad boy says 4,593 million. What's that? 4.5 billion? Is that what it is? Crazy. Yeah, they're trying to hold this down. Somebody's in here holding this down. Yeah, because the overall market's going up. And ONDS is struggling. It really is. Yeah, it's struggling. It's struggling where I got in. That's where it's struggling at. So, the market's going up. Oil's starting to go down. And ONDS is range bound. ONDS is range bound. When are the big boys going to start stepping up? When are the big boys going to start stepping up? I got my order in to sell. So, come on, let's go. Push this bad boy up. I got my sell order. Maybe that's why. Did they see my sell order? They don't want to push it up? See, that's the thing where it goes back to that part where I tell you, like, they know I'm in. That's why it's not going up. And the moment I'm not in, it flies, right? Unbelievable. That's what it feels like sometimes. Funny. The market's going up. Everything's pointing up. And ONDS is struggling. Come on, baby, let's go. Look at that. Talk about getting pulled back at. Come on, the market's going up. The market's pinging. Come on, 41. Let's go. 41. Push this bad boy up. Look at that. Look at American Airlines. Mars starting to go up. Nokia's starting to go up. The market's going up. And this thing is taking forever. Come on, let's go. Range bound, sucker. Come on, sucker. Range bound. Range bound. Yeah, they know I'm in this. They know I'm in this. They don't want to. They don't want to give up the money. All these hedge funds, man. They see my order sitting there at 41 cents. Look at it, and they slammed it down. The market's pinging up, and they slammed this down. Wow. Someone's in there holding this down. Crazy. Should have went on Mara, right? But there's probably someone in Mara too. They don't want to share the profits. Come on. They don't want to share the profits. Yeah, the market was taking off, and these guys were. Oh, that means that there's going to be a reversal. Reversal back down. Yeah. Yeah, this thing's range bound. This thing's wiki. Super wiki, man. Yeah, this is crazy. They don't want to hold this up. They don't want to share the profits, man. Come on, share the profits. They don't want to share the profits, big dog. They don't want to share. Look, they keep pushing it down. They know I'm sitting there at $10.18 with 25,000. I'm in there with $25,000. Look at that, and they're pushing it down. Now that the market's going down, they're going to push it down. Wow, unbelievable. Yeah, there's someone in there. So I guess the next pop, I gotta go short. The next pop up. Wow. Yeah, they holding this thing now. They know I'm in it. They know I'm in it. This is where the power people say, well, they don't know. They don't care about your $25,000. I don't know, man. I've been trading long enough. It's like that. It feels like it's like that. Like they know I'm in it. They know I'm at $10.18. And look at where it's at. $10.18. Yeah. They don't like it. They don't like it when they don't want to share the profits. And this thing has how much volume? 13 million? 13 million in volume, I think. I think it says 13 million, or is that 13 billion? No, that's 13 million. Yeah, that's 13 million. Is there a decimal in there? Yeah, okay, there's a decimal in there, that's why. Yeah, it's at 13 million. 13 million, and I'm trying to get to the 41, the 41. Once this gets over $10.29, then it's gonna be real close. It's gonna be real close. Hopefully we get a spike above from 1029. Yeah, this market's struggling, man. We're range bound. They come out with the same news again at 10 o'clock. ONDS acquires Bird Aerosystems. Come up with the same news again. They're trying to keep reminding people. But there's someone in there holding it back. Come on, let's go. Let's wrap this up. Come on, big dog. Yeah, they're going to bring this thing up. If this thing breaks today's high, it should shoot up. Today's high is 1029. If it breaks today's high, it should shoot up. Hopefully we get an injection right here. Major injection to rally the market up. Yeah, this thing is struggling. Look at all those wicks. Dang. The Hikinashi is wicky like crazy, huh? Yeah, this thing is doing its own thing. Someone's trying to hold this down. And you see how that little box right there formed in my, right here, how that box formed? That box right there says that right now this is range bound. This little box, if it pops out like that, it means that it's range bound. So someone's trying to hold it back, someone's trying to push it long, someone's trying to push it short. And it's range bound right here. That little box tells me it's range bound. This, I got this from some guy on, I think his name is James. Yeah, I got it from James. James over at Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab has a show. They have their own show. And he does his analysis of the market, and he writes scripts. And I got that script from him a long time ago. And I just kept it, and I never used it. I just kept it, so because it has 2 Hikinashis on it. It has the super smooth one, and it has the regular Hikinashi. So as long as we stay above, right? As long as we stay above the 20, I mean, I'm okay with that range bound. I guess I'm okay with it. I mean, so yeah, $10.29 is the ceiling. It's got to break that ceiling. And we're now at 14,600,000 in volume. 14 million in volume. And they keep pumping it. And ONDS keeps saying the same news every half an hour, right? What's that? No, every 15 minutes they keep saying the same news. They keep saying the same news, man. Yeah, if this thing breaks 1029, we're off to the races. The 5-minute chart looks good for me. You can't see it, but it looks good. I'm going to move in on it. Yeah, it looks kind of good. Kind of good. So there's my... Hope I can get this. 1041 is far away, seems like. Geez. Like I said, these things don't move that much at all. They don't move at all. They move 10, 20 cents at a time. Yeah, this thing is pretty tough. So the market's going down. And we're still above the 20. So the market's going down, but we're still above the 20. Still trying to hold above the 20. I think it knows where it wants to go. It wants to go back up to it's looking for a push up here. Yeah, everybody knows that it's just below it. Someone's trying to hold it below the $10.29. They don't want it to go up any higher. But I don't know. The market's tiring out. I mean, these guys got good news yesterday. It's 10 past 10. Do you know where your money's at? The market trying to curl back up. Look at Mara, man. Mara went from 847 to 867. Another 20 cents from the bottom to the top. So it went 18 cents, it went 30 cents, and then 20 cents on Mara. Hot diggity dough. Mara has no news. No news. Unbelievable. Mara has no news. And that's the one to be in right there. I could have got all my right there. I could have got it all right there. Come on, baby. Break the 1029. Let's go. 1029. Break that bad boy. Ah, got pulled down. The market pulled it down. Oh, wow. Crazy. 1029. We've already broke the pre-market high. The pre-market high is that dotted line you can barely see. That's the pre-market high right there. We broke the pre-market high. I don't have the orb on here. I took the orb off. And it's struggling. Look how wicky this thing is on the Hikinashi. Crazy wicks. Yeah. Crazy. So this looks a little range bound. That's why that box is still gray. It's just range bound. Until it breaks to 1029, I think it would be all right, but we're close. Real close. It almost touched it. We're real close. Yep, they're trying to pull it back again. They're trying to pull it back. But we're close. Such a good news. Man, Mara's the one to get in today too. Just like yesterday, huh? Could have made all the money off Mara. Idiot. Could have made it all off Mara. Here we go. We're gonna break this right here. Come on, baby. Let's break this. The market's still turning down. The only thing that's keeping it up is Nvidia a little bit. Here we go. We got an injection a little bit. There we go. We broke it. We broke it. I need 11 cents more. It broke it, but it came right back down. Here we go. Come on. I need $10.41. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Get me out. Come on. Get me out. Don't lose all that. I want to double check these price targets. Any price targets? $17 price targets. $15 price targets. $15. No. $17 price targets. The only price target I can see is $17 price target. But price targets don't mean crap, man. They don't mean nothing. Okay, 34. I'm 7 cents away. 7 cents away. I don't have to hit nothing. It's gonna do it on its own. Come on. 1033, 1034. Come on. We're out of the box. We're out of that box. That gray box. We're out of it. That means that we're finally out of the range bound. Come on. We're close. I'm like 6 cents away. When it hit the 1035, I was 6 cents away. 1035. Is it gonna? Oh, come on. Here we go. It's starting to get pulled back. It's starting to get pulled back. Starting to get pulled back. No, 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 no. Oh, man. So I went to 1035. 1035. And now it's pulling back, way back. It's pulling way back. It's touched. It just barely touched, almost touched the 20. It almost touched the 20. They're trying to push it back down. I got a $17 price target. $17 price target. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Oh no, come on, man, go up. You want to go up, right? Still staying above that 20. Let's not get range bound again. Come on. And we're back under the high. So now we got a new high right here. On the 35. The 35 is the new high. Was that it? She's trying. Even though the market is pushing down, it's trying. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm so close. So close. So close. Here we go. Push this up. We're almost there. Come on. Just touch the 41. Touch the 41. So close. Touch the 41. Almost there. Touch the 41. Come on. Touch the 41. We're so close. Oh, it pulled back a little bit. Touch the 41. Come on. The market's trying to go back up again. It's 18 minutes past. There we go. Touch the 41. Let's go. Everybody should be getting in now. It's starting to curl away. Come on, 41. Everybody should be getting in now. Starting to curl up. Come on. 41. 41. Push. 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 Almost there. Almost there. We gotta get a push right here. Come on. Get me out of this. Right here. We're close. We're so close. Push, push, push. 41 right here. 41. Boom! Woo! There it is, folks. Yeah. Boom, baby. There it is. 30 cents. I made 30 cents today. That's the goal. 30 cents. Not bad. Woo! 30 cents. Shut it down. Because you know me. Overtrade, stupid mistakes, and next thing you know, I'll come back later with the part 2 saying I'm down 3 grand. Hell no. That's it. We're done. All right. All right. We're good with that. I'm good with that. Yeah. Yeah. Good news. All right. It made it. So there it is. $661.02. This is what I'm going to do. So tomorrow, 20-cent goal. I pushed it a little bit. I pushed it a little too far. I kind of pushed it a little bit too far. So 20-cent goal tomorrow. So now that we're getting more and more money, now I don't need 30 cents no more. I'm just going to go 10 cents. And look at Mara. I could have done it all on Mara, man. I could have done the whole thing on Mara. And so... Look at Mara. Crazy. All right. There it is. All right. Feels good. Feels good. That's the way I want it right there. Could this thing keep going? I don't care. I got my goal. 30 cents. It's too much. 30 cents. So tomorrow, I'm going to do 20 cents. So tomorrow, 20 cents. That should be around, let's see. Let's do the math on that. Forget about the math. I'll do the math later. So, American Airlines, they went up. How much cents they went up? 11.13. It went as high as 11.13 to 11.24. There's 10 cents. and then they went from 1123. Look at it. Look at. Wow. ONDS. Look at that. But that's the thing. I mean, it doesn't move that much, and it's finally moving now. Great. Awesome. Great. But yeah, I'm okay with that. Just get in, get out, right? I gotta start doing like these daily goals. A daily goal, and it's like, well, why are you gonna shut yourself? This thing could be going. You could make $1,000. I don't care, man, because I know how I am. I'll just keep trading and trading and trading. Next thing you know, it's 8 o'clock at night, and I'm down $2,000. No, just keep making the daily goals, because later when I start making more money, I have a goal of $3,200 a day. $3,200 a day. That's the goal. That's 760 something thousand a year. You can't live off that. You can't just do your daily goal. There's 30 cents. I'm good. Yeah, good enough. All right. So happy, man. Everything's good. Everything's good. All right. Okay. So good to see you all. And not bad for day 3. We are 3 days in the green. 3 days in the green. So that's good for there. And I'll catch you guys soon. Yeah. Thank you for showing up for this. And I'm glad that we tackled this together. So there it is. So we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll be here ready to go at 9:25 Eastern Time. Every morning, 9:25 Eastern Time. Just going to follow this strategy. We'll be all right. Okay, so we'll see you guys soon. Thank you for showing up.